Hello everyone, today we are taking a look at the Olivia DOS virus. Now this virus is interesting as it makes use of the CD-ROM drive for part of its payload. So let's go ahead and check it out. Unfortunately, this sample I have here will run, but hangs the computer. It still works, but I can't really demonstrate it infecting files, which is okay because it's a stealth virus anyway, so you wouldn't see any file size increases when it infects files. So this computer is locked up. Control-Alt-Delete doesn't even work, so we're just going to hard power it off and turn it back on. Alright, we are booted back into DOS here, so let's go ahead and get to the payload portion of Olivia, which activates on April 10th or December 23rd, so a nice Christmas present for you. We'll go ahead and set it to April 10th, since we're right here next to it. And now, I have previously infected the graphics.com file with this virus, or at least another variant of it, so when I run it, it will actually activate the virus itself. So let's go ahead and see it happen. You can hear the CD-ROM drive open, and it asks you, please put a Love Music CD into your CD-ROM and pass any key to continue. So, here's my Love Music. I'll close it up. Wait for this to spin up. And let's hit enter. And we are greeted with the author's copyright message and the soothing love sounds of the Descent 3 original soundtrack. Which, you know, if it's good enough to blow up robots too, then it's good enough to blow up your computer. And let's go ahead and turn this down a little bit. Okay, and while this is playing, your computer is completely locked up, so whatever music you happen to insert into your CD-ROM drive would be playing, and this virus is supposed to format your hard drive. However, the only thing I've gotten it to do is trash the CMOS, so we're going to go ahead and turn this off and check out that happening when the computer boots up. Alright, no more music. We're going to turn it back on right now, and as soon as it loads and loads the BIOS, we should see that the CMOS has been cleared. So it takes about 30 seconds, less than that, and once it's ready, instead of the usual post beep, we get 2 beeps signifying that something's up. Or the virus could just make a total liar out of me and work perfectly. I promised you before it did clear the CMOS, but I guess this time it didn't want to do it. So we can see our computer is pretty safe for now. I know in some variants it's supposed to wipe the drive, but we can settle for some excellent music. So that is about it for the Olivia DOS virus. Please feel free to tell me what music you think would be most appropriate for this virus. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.